Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the filter on Whirlpool front loading washing machine. So first thing is just simply go ahead and turn off and unplug the washing machine while cleaning the filter. And the filter is usually behind a small panel at the bottom front of the machine, and open it carefully. And after that, just simply put a towel or shallow container under the filter area because water may spill when you open it. Now, slowly turn the filter knob counterclockwise to remove it and let any water drain out completely. After that, just simply rinse the filter under warm running water and remove any debris, lint, or buildup, and use a soft brush if needed. And after that, you could just simply screw the filter back in tightly, close the access panel, and plug the washer back in, and it will now be ready to use. There you go. See ya.